Hello, and welcome to Moisture Matters, the show where we take your everyday and not so everyday objects and test them to see which has more moisture. Today we're testing motor oil. Which do you think has more moisture, new or used motor oil? If you're in the industry, you probably already know, but let's find out anyway. Moisture contamination in lubricating oils is no joking matter. Even a small amount can cause devastation if left unchecked. With so many sources of potential moisture contamination, it's hard to completely prevent. Testing the moisture content of a new motor oil helps ensure the product quality and consistency, while testing used motor oil helps maintain and extend the useful life of your equipment. It can also help to discover, correct, and prevent moisture contamination problems before they can cause costly or irreparable damage. As you can see, the used motor oil has approximately twice the moisture content of the new motor oil. Used oil is expected to contain a higher level of moisture than new oil, since moisture contamination can be caused by so many different things, like improper storage or packaging, condensation either during storage or while the oil is in use, or even something as simple as exposure to ambient humidity. New oil may contain some level of water even if it is sealed in its packaging. Testing new oils before they go into your machinery or equipment gives you a base level of moisture that you can compare to the used oil test, so that you know exactly how much moisture has been gained and can help plan for your routine maintenance. Thanks for joining us on Moisture Matters. We hope you learned something today, or at least enjoyed watching us test the moisture content of new and used motor oils. If you did, let us know by liking, favoriting, and subscribing. And remember, in matters of moisture, nothing matters more than Moisture Matters.